That's another tip. Do y'all have some more tips on how to get more business? Get out there, market, talk to more people. Oh no, babe, I'll get a strike.
I know it was.
Maybe. YouTube is very funny about that music, y'all. So I gotta make sure we're not playing no music in the background. Um, yeah, I'm sure you've heard other people say that. So yeah, I don't play about my meeting my goal. Okay, so again, I may not always want to do something. Like I don't mind working on the weekends because y'all know I like working on the weekends. But you want to say good morning?
Morning, everybody. How y'all doing?
So anyway, those are some more tips. So I may not always want to work on the weekends, right? But I do. I work holidays. That's another way to extend your business, expand your business, rather, expand. And also, that's another way to work with new companies. A lot of times on holidays, and I didn't realize it is a holiday coming up on Monday. What did you say it was? What holiday?
Columbus.
Columbus Day. Because I used to work at the bank, so I got all those holidays, right? Your girl knew every single one. Columbus Day is on Monday, so this is a good time, and everybody's not closed on Monday. So if you're off on Monday and you're one of those people, I can never get any signings. Are you open on Monday? Are you taking signings on Monday? It may not be your preferred day. You want to sleep in like everybody else, eat pancakes and waffles and stuff, right? But you might need to be out there trying to get a job. Get your name out there, because a lot of the seasoned notaries are not going to be working on Monday. Okay? Now, I'm seasoned, but I'm going to be working on Monday because I'm not going anywhere. Oh, my goodness. Can I take the Apostille on Monday? I just thought about it. Oh, I got to see if they're open on Monday. Yeah. Does anyone know if they're open on Monday here in Georgia? And you got the heat on? Yeah. Are they open on Monday? I have to check that because I have this apostille I'm telling you about, and I have to take it, so I need to see if they're open on Monday. Let me see. I'm trying to make sure the light is good for y'all. That might be a little better. So anyway, oh, his call is coming through here. Oh, okay. Sorry, y'all. This is live. But anyway, yes, I need to check and see if they're even open on Monday, because I was getting ready to take this apostille on Monday, the one I'm working on. So I was going to show y'all the document. Hold on. So what we ended up doing, I was telling you about the one for the school transcript, but it's a GED, so it works differently. So we typed up, I typed this up. Now, I don't encourage you to prepare a lot of documents, and I don't prepare a lot either, okay? Just FYI, because I know somebody gonna get in my comments and say, Kimmi, we don't prepare documents. Well, I actually do have special bonding here in Georgia where I can do immigration documents and do documents. So, but I don't do a lot though. I would never prepare someone's power of attorney. I would never prepare someone's will, those kind of things, because I don't want to be caught in on that, right? If they ever had to question it. And it does happen. Attorneys will call you later and say, who was the notary on file? Who were the witnesses? Who prepared this, right? So I'm not getting into all that, but this is just a simple affidavit. I prepared it for her, and I was going to try to use the affidavit that's on the Georgia website, but I'll show you the affidavit. Hold on. Let me see. Can I show y'all at a distance? I prepared the affidavit for her. Let's see. Really quick. There you go. See, I prepared it. And I'm using this big old envelope because I got a whole bunch of these. Someone gifted these to me. So I'm getting rid of those first, okay? I got some little ones, but I pay for those, and somebody gifted me like a couple hundred of the legal size. So sometimes when I can get rid of them, I do. So that's what I'm going to use for her documents today. Anyway, I was trying to edit the form for the Georgia affidavit that's actually on the notary website, but I could not get it to be editable the way I wanted it to look. So I said, well, all right, I'll just retype it. So I actually put everything in chat. I put chat GPT. I put everything in there I wanted it to say, and chat prepared the document. So that's why I didn't charge her a lot either. Plus, she was repeat. This is my third apostille I'm doing for her. Remember, I did two. One of them wasn't accepted, so now we're doing a redo. I did charge her full price on the apostille, but I didn't charge her for the document. I probably would have normally charged about $50 for that document, but I didn't charge her for the document again because she was repeat. So let's read these comments. What's up? What's up? Are we all on open today? Lisa is saying, I'm open before the banks, LOL. I start at 5 a.m. Get it, Lisa. Lisa, I looked at your website for some reason yesterday. Looking amazing, girl. Looking amazing. I love the little videos. I'm like, look at Lisa. Yes, I love those little videos. I do. You are really doing your thing. Actually, we have several in our group that are tearing up social media. I'm like, get it, ladies. Get it. Y'all doing amazing. So let's see here. Hey, Robin. What's up, Robin? Hi, Fred. Fred is saying, I have an active Florida commission and Ron and never used it. Fred, why not? Fred says, I just collect stuff when I see other people doing stuff. Well, Fred, we want you to start collecting money like other people are collecting. How about that? Okay, we are not just collecting items, okay? We're not just collecting notary stamps and collecting our journal, collecting supplies. Actually, you're not by yourself. It's a lot of people, though, for real. They out there just collecting stuff, information. Let's put that information to use. And right now, for real, with this government shutdown, okay, I know my signal is bad in that area, y'all. And it might go out one more time where I'm headed. So anyway, what I was saying though, if you are affected by what's going on with the government shutdown and you're sitting on your commission, because a lot of government employees do have their commissions, let's go ahead and start making some money. Now, you ain't gonna make it overnight, but you can be ready for the next one. And some of you already know a little something, so if you took Notarize like a pro, then you just might be able to go ahead and start stamping papers by the weekend, okay? By next weekend, not this weekend. Don't just start stamping. But for real, take Notarize like a pro. People often ask me if I just take one course from you, because we have 16, right? If I just take one, what do you recommend? Notarize like a pro. Because you got to know how to execute those documents, okay? You can use coupon code WIN, WIN 2025. WIN 2025. Coupon code, okay? And then mentorship is always available. Robin saying, good morning. Yeah. Yes, Lisa, for real, your website looks good. It really does. Your Google page. Yeah, it looks really good. I was like, okay, get it, Lisa. And again, a lot of our people are really working on social media. They really are. Do I get a lot of calls from my social media? I don't really advertise my personal business on social media. So I've gotten calls for apostilles from my YouTube channel because of my apostille videos. So that's why I'm everywhere. You know, I was just telling a story for those of you just joining. A friend of ours last week needed a notary. And when he called, I thanked him for using us. And he was like, how could I not? You're everywhere. I said, thank you for remembering us. and again, he's probably been watching forever. His wife, she actually hearts a lot of my stuff. So I appreciate it. I really do. Now, I'm bad at responding to all the hearts and stuff, but I do appreciate it, guys. Oh, Lord, here's a call right now. I'm going to have to take this, y'all. It's probably a business. What should I do? Let me come back. Well, Jefferson saying, can I call from your phone right quick? Hold on. I was going to try to call this number back, and then y'all can hear a real call if I can get the number. Hold on. Is this tied up to your thing, Jeff? Hold on. Because I don't want to miss that call either. Hold on. Let me see. Can I get this person's phone number? Oh, I can. Hold on. And y'all can hear me talk to them. 50612. Hold on. 4202. Now somebody calling my husband. Hold on. Did you need to get your... Oh, that's my client. That's my client. That's my client.